Hello guys, here we are again. Today we are playing Blood Engine. Let's go and kill some noobs. Hey, catch this banana. And now this noob is dead, haha. Let's add some C4, haha. Boom, does that C4 lol. Now this hacker used range X, that's unrealistic. How am I still alive with 2 arms fell off?
I will never die.
Never mind. This hacker is cheating. Stop running right now, you orange shirt man. Why can't no one mind their own business? Let's fight this big orange head. This is unfair, I have fucking much lag. What I fuck is this fat orange head is hacking. That is me raging. I can't even move, what a hacker. This is not possible. I am not scared of a killer clown, come fight me. Take that, you weakling. Now he's running away like a pussy. I will chase him till he's dead, hahaha. Now this push is trying to hit me off, didn't think so, hahaha. Now we're dead. Oh shit. That didn't end well. Now it's time to move on. These fucking orange heads again. Now they are going to kill my friend. They are scared of me, why don't they attack me, what a pussies. I scared them off with my menhair. Now they are getting killed. It is time to kill someone. I am very pissed off. I am so strong, I am fighting a guy with a sword and I use fist. I am so strong, unbeatable. Now let me kill these kids. They have no charge yet to fight me. That was unfair, a C4 blew up, so unfair. This was the video for today. I will get revenge, but not today. Goodbye.